My name is Joseph Scott, and I live up in Utah, West Valley. What stuck out to me was the barbecue food that I really enjoy eating, and how they commit to making a legit barbecue. They've been helping me with one step at a time, some interviews, set me up with come to this training, documents I need to fill out, and they've just been giving me steps I need to do along the way so I can accomplish this. Training has been tough, but it's been good. I've been learning a lot, and I look forward to taking what I learned to running the restaurant that I'm getting. My favorite location would be on Central, which gave me experience working with the customers and catering orders, and just to learn what's those to learn to things to know in the store so I can operate one up in Utah. I plan on getting out to different universities and businesses and talking to them about catering barbecue food that I can provide them for the different events, even churches, and just getting out there and just letting them know that this is the opportunity for them to get delicious food. One thing I would share is to those future franchisees would be that Dickey provides a structure for you to work with. Even if you don't have any background experience in running a restaurant, they provide a structure for you to work with, people you can call if you have questions, and they're there to help you out so you can become successful.